At the airport vocabulary مفردات في المطار. In this video, you'll learn useful English and Arabic words related to the airport. في هذا الفيديو ستتعلم كلمات مفيدة بالإنجليزية والعربية تتعلق بالمطار. These words will help you understand and speak better while traveling. هذه الكلمات ستساعدك على الفهم والتحدث بشكل أفضل أثناء السفر. Pack your suitcase or pack your luggage. Trunk. Boom bag or fanny pack. Toilet bag. Attach case. Clutch bag. Airport.
Travel agency.
Security.
Security checkpoint.
Duffel bag or hold-all. Customs. Check-in.
Baggage claim.
Passport. Boarding pass. Visa. Arrivals and departures. Shoulder bag. Suitcase. Handbag or carry-on bag. Airline. Control tower. Runway. Airplane. Boarding. Overhead compartment. Window or aisle seat. Backpack or rucksack.
Pilot.
Cabin crew. Flight service. Air hostess. Fly attendant. Take off and land. Undercarriage. To retract and lower. Immigration.